My name is Scott Headley, and this is my Ultimate Sweat. My Ultimate Sweat Challenge is going to be composed of 4 different things that all have to be done in the next 12 weeks in order to complete the challenge. My 4 things are 2 parts results-oriented and 2 parts process-oriented. The process-oriented tasks revolve around poker and improving my physical capabilities. The first one, which is the poker one, is I have to move up staking levels in the poker stable that I'm a part of. I'm a backee of Pokar. That's an MTT stable. When I first started, I was level 2 staking. Now I'm up to level 6, and I've just applied for level 7. By the time we reach this point 12 weeks from now, which is when the contest ends, I want to have achieved level 9 staking. The way the system at Pokar works is you can apply to move up once every 30 days, and what they look for is a bit of results, but for the most part, they're looking for your volume and your study work ethic and your stats and frequencies. So basically, they're looking for overall work ethic, which is why I really like this goal of trying to move up to level 9, because I do believe that with the proper work ethic and dedication and consistency that I can reach this point 12 weeks from now at level 9. The second part to this is the physical component. And what I want to do is do 100 push-ups in a single set. I will film it and put it up as one of my updates by the end of this challenge. Right now, I can probably do about 30, maybe 40 push-ups in one set if I really push hard at it. I do think that with consistent work, I can give myself a really good opportunity at hitting 100 in one set. It would be really tough, and I can't guarantee that I can do it, but I'm going to do my best in order to make it so that it's a reality 12 weeks from now. As part of the updates to this challenge, I'm going to update weekly. There'll be less intensive update videos at the start, since this is more about me actually doing what's needed behind the scenes to make it so that the goals to this challenge become a reality 12 weeks from now. As we get closer to the actual goal, the videos will probably be longer. They'll probably have more in-depth updates. And then the final video will be a 90-second kind of summary of how everything went. The other 2 parts of this challenge are both results oriented. So I can't guarantee that I can make it happen, and I could work really hard and it still wouldn't be a reality, but I think it'd be nice to add this part into the challenge so that as reward, should, the stars align and things fall into place, you guys know that this is what I'm trying to accomplish. What I'm trying to accomplish as part of the results oriented part of this challenge is 1, achieve the money for laser eye surgery, and 2, achieve the funds so that I can go to Run It Up Reno this October for my first live poker series event. I'm going to show you some examples of the type of work ethic and study that I'm referring to when I say that I'm working hard towards trying to move up the levels, especially over these next 12 weeks. So I'll pull that up now. There's a video I recently took a bunch of notes on from the Pokar website, and it was from Tyler Forrester, and the main thing was about how to play turn pros most effectively, and you're going to want to use a lot of overbet and small bet strategies. So I took a bunch of notes there. I also did my own kind of analysis with PO Solver on a hand that I played. I'm not really going to go too in depth into it, but it's just showing that these are the parameters that I used. And then I node locked, villain strategy on the turn so that it would look like this. And then from there, given those parameters and villain strategy, this is how we should play our strategy. So, when we delay c-bet on certain textures where we have 100% check on the flop, we're going to want to overbet certain turns that don't change the dynamic of the board after villain checks back in position, which is usually a pretty capped range. And that's the extent of my study. And I'm going to do that kind of stuff over and over and over again, and weekly I'll update in some fashion, whether it's exercise or study or results. Speaking of exercise and parameters, that's going to be the final part of this entry video. Ciao.